Hello, everyone. Welcome back to this channel. If you're a programmer or web designer, you've surely encountered the hover event. It's a magical event that allows us to highlight or transform an element when hovered, making it pop out to the user. But here's the twist: what if we don't just change the hovered item, but also apply an effect to all other elements on the page? Interesting, right? Stay tuned as I show you how to achieve this with nothing but CSS using the power of two incredible selectors, not and hover, in just 3 minutes, and also no JavaScript is needed. First, let's explore the problem. Imagine we have several images side by side. By default, they're blurred and grayed out. But when you hover over one image, it comes to life, revealing its true colors and clarity. Now, here's the twist: when one image becomes clear, the rest need to stay blurred. This creates a contrast that draws the viewer's attention to the hovered image. How can we do that? Normally, CSS alone can't directly target non-hovered elements, and many would jump straight into JavaScript. But we're taking a smarter route. Let me show you how. Here's method 1. Our images are wrapped inside a list class, with each image inside an item class. When the user hovers over any item, the entire list also enters a hovered state. With this trick, we can blur all items when the list is hovered. But that's not all. We make an exception: the hovered item itself cancels the blur effect and remains clear. This simple trick requires just 6 lines of CSS, no JavaScript needed. Isn't it cool? You're essentially applying a universal rule and overriding it with an exception, a clever trick for your developer toolbox. But there's an even cleaner method. Let's dive into the direct approach. Here, instead of first applying a blanket rule and then creating exceptions, we target non-hovered items directly using the not selector. Notice how clean this is? With a single rule, we apply the effect only to the items that are not hovered. It's simple, efficient, and a perfect demonstration of how powerful that not selector can be. And that's it. In just a few lines of CSS, we've achieved a dynamic hover effect without any JavaScript. Whether you use the indirect approach or the direct one with the not, both are great tools for your design arsenal. If you found this helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to Precoder for more tips, tricks, and creative web design tutorials. Drop your thoughts in the comments. How will you use hover effects in your next project? And let me know what tutorials you want to see next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!